Hey guys, if you're someone who keeps on traveling and want to explore lots of places, then this app is just for you. It is the best companion you could have when you travel, especially when you don't know their language. It doesn't matter anymore because you got this Apple Translate app. You got like every modes, like even if it's from the start, like you're gonna ask for directions from that till having a one-on-one direct conversation, like casual conversation with your friend or your peers. So this app got you covered with all those modes. Now let's explore one more. First, this is the homepage translation. Here what you do is just you can type or you can just speak. So let's go to speak. Before this, here you can see this three dots icon. So here you got two features like play translations and direct language. Play translation is once it translates, then it automatically plays the voice so that the other person could hear. Second thing is direct language. If you keep this direct language off, you'll find these two different mics. So it's better you just keep it turned on if you're gonna keep on speaking like without no turns. So let me start. Hello.
Alors laisse-moi commencer bonjour.
So it speaks. Now if I keep this play translation off, bonjour. It doesn't speak. You just have to press this play
Hello?
button to hear to that word. Also here you got this on the left side, three icons. First one, if you click this, it opens it in a full view. Here you can just show to the other person by maintaining distance. So this is helpful in that way.
Hello?
The play button is also right here and you got this message icon which helps you to go back to the normal place. This star, if you click on this, it is star and you can find your favorites right in this here side, favorites. If you're going to keep on using a particular phrase again and again, it's better you just add it to your favorites so that you don't have to look for it. Like, where is this place? You can save it and have it in your phone. So just it will be easier to ask for directions wherever you are right at that place. And another interesting feature is this book icon. Here if you click dictionary, it actually selects that word and gives you the meaning of that word. Like it also says in some places like idioms. Here first statement we can take. Let's select a word and see here it shows you what kind of thing is this. Noun and also in verb. Also it gives you lots of examples and at last you can also find idioms. So this got like entire dictionary with it. So now your languages, you don't have to worry about what languages are available. It has all the international languages. So it's the best thing you could have. Let's go for this conversation mode. This is like having a direct conversation like interview or something like that. You don't want an interpreter anymore. So here as usual you select a language from the top and here you can select the mode from the left icon, side by side or face to face. Now I am in this side by side mode, so let's stay this way. In this icon you can either select a clear conversation, so it starts all the way from the beginning, and then you got these remaining three things: play translations, auto translate, direct language. Direct language is really helpful. Don't just keep it off, so that you can use a single mic and it automatically directs what you're speaking. And then auto translate, just you speak, you don't have to pause or start the mic, you keep on speaking and it translates for you. Play translation, once it completes translates, it plays the voice. So that's it. Now let's look at this auto translate feature. Now let's turn this off and let's speak. Hello.
Bonjour.
Again you have to click this mic and speak.
Mike et parle.
So now let's have this auto translate on and start speaking. Just for once I have clicked this icon.
Il suffit d'en chercher ceux que j'espère que oui, je ne peux pas.
Okay, it didn't get it right.
Ok, ça n'a pas bien réussi.
Now if you see this, I haven't pressed that icon again, that mic symbol.
Maintenant, si vous voyez cela, je n'ai plus présenté d'icône que le symbole mic.
But it just keeps turning on automatically, so that this is perfectly for your one-on-one conversation.
Mais il ne cesse de s'allumer automatiquement, afin que ce soit parfaitement pour vous une conversation individuelle.
So now let's go back to this favorite side here. All the favorites, you can find it here. And also your reasons, like histories. So this is it. Now let's go to this face-to-face. Face-to-face mode is if the person is to your opposite side. So this is the same way, but it has one thing lacking. Let's click this into and go back. So you can see this direct language. Since it's face-to-face, it doesn't have to direct because you got different mics. So just as usual, you just keep speaking. Hello.
Bonjour.
Bonjour.
Hello?
So that's it, guys. This is this app, really cool app, which could be totally helpful, come in handy in your travel. So keep on using this. Bye.